Signing up for Loom is straightforward. First, visit loom.com and click Sign Up or Get Loom for free. You'll be prompted to enter your email address and create a password. For business accounts, it's best to use your work email to unlock team features. Alternatively, you can sign up using your Google account or SSO for a faster process. After entering your information, Loom will send a verification email. Click the confirmation link in the email to activate your account. For enhanced security, consider enabling two-factor authentication, 2FA, in your account settings. Verification is typically instant via email or Google SSO. Once your account is verified, you're ready to start recording. You can either download the Loom desktop app or use the browser extension. After installation, log into your account and click the Loom icon to get started. Choose your recording mode: screen only, camera only, or both screen and camera. Select the screen or application window you want to record. Click the record button to start. During the recording, you can add annotations and text overlays to highlight key points. When you're finished, click the stop button. Your video will automatically upload to your Loom library. Review your video in the library, then share it via a link or embed it into emails, Slack, or other platforms. Loom videos average 2 to 3 minutes in length and are designed for quick and efficient asynchronous communication.